Alright, so here is the book, J.J. Abram's Ship of Theseus. Now this comes in this slipcase and it's shrink wrapped, so I'm just gonna remove the shrink wrap first. Alright, so we have this we have the seal. I have to break it. I don't like it. I thought it was just going to be a kind of a short ribbon thing which I would take off and keep it for later, but it seems that I need to break the seal. Let me just see if I can take the sticker off somehow. No man, can't take the sticker off. I would, but let me try it. Slit it with a cutter and just see if that works. I don't feel good while doing this, but there is actually no other way. And it seems I cut it from the wrong side. I hate these things. It could have been cut from your side anyway. So I'm left with this now. This is a sticker which I failed to cut properly, but it's okay. I think I need to get over this. So let's keep this aside and let us take a look at the book now. So really good looking cover, and it has that sticker which generally we have on the books that we get from the libraries, and the cover is nice. I like the look, and it book for loan. Okay, and it looks like, okay, so this is like a really nice well produced book. I like the quality of the page. You look at it, it really looks like that it's like old vintage stuff, but you touch it, it's very soft and almost like semi glossy kind of a page paper quality. These are the things that I'm gonna delve into later, but I like this presentation actually. All these annotations in the book, and okay, I'm happy I got this. That's quite a novel way of presentation. Let's see. Oh god. So okay. So it's supposed to be this one book which someone found, and then they go reading through it, and that's how they have kind of produced the whole thing. We have these inserts of uh, photocopied stuff, and then we have yeah, newspaper clippings. All right. That's definitely a very different way of presentation for a book, and I understand why this book is as expensive. I have been saving for this book for a while now. These are blueprints, man. And I suppose they have been printed, but a lot of pain must have been, you know. This is a color photocopy. That's some book design that we have here. That's a postcard. And I'm amazed at the kind of printing, because it does actually look like someone has scribbled this and it's not printed. So wow, this picture is amazing. So it's definitely a photo, it's definitely a print, but they've actually tried to create that glossy texture that we used to have back in the 80s and 90s, and they have actually tried to print some kind of paper, photo paper stamps on the backside as well. This is some work, man. There's another lovely postcard. Wow. There are some postcards which I have with me that belonged to my grandfather, and this is the kind of quality those postcards had. Really amazing. only thing I'm worried about is like if I lose the location of these inserts, how do how do I get that back? So maybe I'll refer to this video again sometime. Wow, just look at the kind of detail they've put in. Like, that's a photograph. Wow, this is actually a bit too much. This is really amazing. I'm glad I got this copy. That's a, oh god, this actually feels like a brittle paper, man. It actually feels like an old paper that has been, okay, I need to put this back. Wow, both sides printed. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, so this is a paper napkin which has this map drawn on this. So a lot of people do this. I generally scribble on such stuff when I'm sitting waiting for the when I used to be sitting waiting for my food. Those were some different times, man. But I really don't know how they've accomplished this, because I don't know if this is actually printed or if it's actually hand drawn, and I need to ask some experts on this. This is something. Snippets of a bygone era, There was a time when people used to send across things like these. Okay. Wow. There's so much in this that now I actually don't feel bad for missing that sticker on the front page, on the slipcase of the book. They used to be called writing letter pads, no? So there would be like these booklets and sheaves of paper which would have these special margins and lines and patterns on them, and they were meant to be letters to be written and sent across. So that's what this one is. What's this? Looks like a compass. And this is supposed to be the impression of a library card. All right. Okay. So so this book is something, man. This is definitely something, and I understand why it's priced the way it's priced. I waited a long time actually for this book, and I have to say it was worth the wait. So now I have my copy, and I'm gonna keep it very safe and make sure it doesn't get damaged, which is gonna be a tough task because the number of things that are inside this is quite something. Alright guys, I hope you like this flip through, and yes, it is expensive, but if you do have the budget to buy this, I would say go ahead. I just can't wait to read this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time, and stay safe, stay healthy. Cheers.